Disaster has struck. Hello everybody and welcome back to the chateau. I've got lots of stuff to be getting on with, but first a very quick trip back to the UK with Billy and everybody, and then it's back on to all of the work here at the chateau because, well, the event's now long gone. I've mostly packed up from that, so there's a bit of bits and pieces, which means it's on to the things which I really want to get done, like bedrooms, other bits of renovation, tidying up parts of the landscaping and the grounds before winter really arrives. So, quick trip to the UK, then back at it. While I'm on these long road trips and travelling around with Billy, or even myself, you end up waiting quite a bit for trains, ferries, all the rest of it. And when I do that, I've got something to keep myself occupied. Today's video is sponsored by June's Journey. It's a hidden object mystery game set in the 1920s. Players follow June Parker, a detective, as she solves mysteries and uncovers family secrets. In the game, you can customise, remodel and fix your mansion and island. So if you like murder mysteries, the 1920s, home and room decor, or just relaxing, well, June's Journey is for you. So thank you, June's Journey, for sponsoring this video. And let's get back to it. So back from the UK trip, and as does happen here occasionally, the house has decided to be a little bit like a petulant child and has thrown a massive wobbly when I just want to have a little bit of clear up and get on with something much more important. Right, disaster has struck. Got a leak in the secondary kitchen. Ah! It's everywhere. I've been mopping. Ah! There's just so much bloody water. Look at it. Oh, not what I needed. That's quite a bit of water. I've already done a big bucket full with the proper mop, and there's loads more to do. I can tell you this is not what I wanted to be doing as soon as I got back. I wanted to be getting back to, you know, restoration now the big event's over, and I've just got a bit more stuff to move and clean up. But I will get to, I've turned the water off, I'll find out what it is. It's either the dishwasher or the heater for the kitchen back there. It's leaking. I've got the water off for a second. And there's that much of it. The best thing to do is actually my little spot cleaner, my upholstery cleaner, will just suck up the water perfectly. So let's just finish this off before it ends up under the tiles and everywhere, because it's going to destroy everything. So this is going well. As I said, that's much more effective quickly. And I have stopped the leak. Well, basically, back there. Can you see it? No. You sort of can. Okay, that's the very small water heater. For in here, it was dripping out of that. I've turned the water supply off to it after I've cleared up. I will see if that is a fitting or if it's actually the tank. That has put a slight damper in the day because I thought I would get a quick couple of hours done just clearing some bits and pieces up, put another load of stuff away, that sort of thing. Because one of the massive things from the event, as I've said, so I still stuff out, is everything needs to be inventoried and make sure there's nothing broken and make sure we've got enough of everything and put into boxes and labelled and put away because there's big storage space is not going to be here for that stuff now. So it's a slower process, so it's much more organised, ready. And now I've got leaks and stuff. As I need to escape from that leak and I'm not getting on with other stuff, I will show you something that is very, very important to me and I thought it should be shared with everybody, which is a painting, which was a gift from someone for me. And of course it is lightning. And well, for everyone that saw lightning in all of the videos, look at that. Isn't that such a fantastic portrait of him? I think it's a very, very, very good likeness. I don't know what everyone else thinks. And it is taking pride of place in my my drawing room and it's there, so it doesn't get any sunlight because it's a proper oil painting. So it doesn't get any sunlight from out there, and I get to walk past it every day when I'm coming out the back. So what does everyone think about that? It's fantastic, isn't it? And a lovely way to honour his little memory. So, event's over, things are getting put away. Massive leak, which is about to destroy my kitchen, but that's fine. I'm just going to mop up more now. I'll have to come back to what is causing the leak. I'll just turn the water off for a second. But I do actually need that kitchen. It's actually used on a regular basis. I've been to the UK, I'm back. I really, really want to get on with all of the other stuff. But I've also got to pack down for the winter. So one of the big things here is that annual charity event sucks up so much time where I want to be doing other things which are slightly more productive. Productive for me, should I say, as opposed to productive, because the events raised lots of money for charity. I will want to finalise the accounting and everything on that and paid all of our bills and everything from it. Then we will let everyone know how much money we raised for the individual charities. And, well, I'm back. I'm looking forward to getting back on with renovations. Namely, I want to try to do some stuff outside to get to the gardener's cottage. And I really want to get my master suite bedroom done. So, hopefully tomorrow there won't be any surprises. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye now.